We can test out our skills right here. Yeah.
Look at this backflip. Yeah, look at that.
Nice. No, you gotta do it like this. Watch. Oh, jeez.
I did it. I'm just kidding.
Oh, skills.
Did you just grind on that?
Yeah.
Did you just grind on it?
Okay, look, watch. I'm gonna do a backflip right here. Okay.
That's some backflip, man. Hold on, there's this trick I'm trying to do.
What trick? Let me see. Oh, what? That was sick. How'd you do that? What? How do you do that?
Yeah.
What? How do you do that? My character just jumps off.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. I did it.
Yeah, let's go. Don't
What
talk
is-
about it.
what-
Do it though.
What? I like how he just like falls downward. It's just like splat. Look, see? We should hit this guy. Hold up, I want to hit this guy right here. What? What happened to him?
Wait a minute.
He had a heart attack while we were going to him. What?
Right in the coin.
That was sick.
Oh my god.
Bro, Trevor, you went so high up. How'd you do that?
Need help.
Whoa! Jesus, that scared me.
But I'm still.
What? Yo, my bike is a murder. Wait, I'm gonna jump over this car right here. Watch. Ah, okay, maybe not.
Got him real good. Check this out.
Oh, nice.
Ooh.
What?
Over the big one.
He hit me.
I'm not going. You guys can go.
What?
Oh,
There it is. There it is. There it is. Let's get on top of it. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, it's so fast.
Get back here.
Dude, it's so fast. Oh my god. I don't think we're ever gonna catch it.
Go away by the cargo place. What the heck?
Dude, actually though, what? What? You're stuck in the ground for me. Oh, your bike just fell off. You should have put it on the other side. Yo, this guy's coming out. What is he doing? Hey! Hey! Chill!
He's hijacking our thing. Let me do it. Get on. Let me see.
Let's take a U-turn.
What? Stop.
You said go.
Man. No, I don't want your car. Oh my gosh, she ran onto my bike.
So it's not even
Underestimate the power.
over.
No, I got this.
Finally, you went over.
Just 2 more tries. Okay, but just go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna
I'm
go.
wrapping back around.
Just keep pedaling forward when you can't fall off.
Wow.
That's my life.
Your Nice. Alright. What? You're levitating! Dude, you're going to Hogwarts. You've been accepted to Hogwarts. Okay.
So weird.
Don't
Why
kill
did
me,
that
bike,
happen?
please.
I don't know. Okay, this is gonna go great. Okay, just stay in that exact position. Yes! On! What? Oh, I survived. I survived though. What?
Go, Trevor.
Baby just being carried.
Can't see.
So what?
Guys,
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Do me.
it's not fun.
You went so far.
You blew up both of them! Oh my god.
Birdie, can you pick me up? There's enough landing here for you to like land.
What?
I'm on top.
There's enough landing here for you to land, Brody.
I know, the breeze.
That's
Jesus.
my Brody off the tip. Brody!
Yo, yo! Let me on! Let me on! Let me on! Let me on! No! I'm still getting in it. What? I'm still in it. Oh, I just got off.